Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn lesson number 4, exogenic process, part 2. Yesterday we have seen some work of the river which is related to and it's because of the work of river some landforms are formed. The work of river is erosion, deposition and transportation. Some landforms are formed because of this work. Yesterday we have seen erosional work of river, transportation and deposition work of river. Because of erosion work, which landforms are formed? It's a gorges or canyon, V-shaped valley and waterfall. Okay, see here is given, then here is given canyon, then meandering of the river. Then next page also some landforms are given: alluvial fan, flood levees and flood plain, then delta and V-shaped valley. And in this diagram there are given flood levees and flood plains. Okay, these are the landforms which are formed because of the erosion work of river, transportation work of river and deposition work of river. Now see here these pictures here as the question these pictures landforms are formed by the different work of river. Write the type of work done by the river, information of those landforms in the box below. You have to write this name because of which work that landforms are formed. Canyon, it's formed because of the erosion work of we have to write here erosion. Then second is alluvial fan. It's that is formed because of the deposition work of river. And then meandering it is formed because of the transportation. Okay, transportation means river change the way, river change the course. Then next is it's the V-shaped valley. It's formed because of the erosion work of the river. Then next is delta. Delta is formed because of the deposition. Okay, deposition work of the river. And then next is flood levees and flood plains. It is also formed because of the deposition work. And alluvial fan that formed because of the deposition work. Okay. Like this way, these are the forms which are formed because of the work of landforms are formed because of the work of river. Now next see here is think about it that is given. Many creeks are found in the coastal areas of Konkan but no delta. Why? Is there any lake found near the meanders of the river? Obtain information about there. See, many creeks are found. Many rivers in Konkan are of short length. Okay, why there is many creeks are found in the coastal areas of Konkan but not delta? Because many rivers in Konkan are short length and speed is comparatively less. Okay, comparatively less, and that's sediments it's remain in the it is not because there is no speed, and that's why these sediments remain there only, and that's why there are no delta found near the coastal area. Okay. Is there any lake found near the meander of the river? Obtain information. Okay, you have to find the information, obtain the information from with the help of internet. Is there any delta lake found near the meander? Then next we are going to learn now work of glaciers and landforms. First we learn about the work of river and landforms. Now we are going to learn work of glaciers and landforms. In regions where the temperature are generally below freezing point. See, in which region where there is a temperature are very below, means means below the freezing point. Okay, precipitation is in the form of snowfall, and that time in that region precipitation is form of snowfall. Means snowfall is a type of precipitation. Okay, snowfall, rain, and then hailstorm. Means these are the types of precipitation. Means that time if there is a temperature is below the freezing point, that time precipitation is formed there, and layers of snow accumulate on the earth's surface because of snowfall. And what happens after the precipitation of snowfall? Then layers of snow, these are accumulate. Accumulate means these are heap on the earth surface, means in the form of heap. ओके, मतलब स्नो जो है उसके इकट्ठा होके वो पृथ्वी पे सरफेस पे जमा हो जाते हैं. The heavy weight of these overlying layers makes the snow move along the slope, and these snows heavy weight overlying move along the slope, and these means snow move where there is a slope. That time this snow is moving from this slope. At the base of the layer the snow starts melting, and where there is a base, means where that heap is there, on that base that snow start melting because of the friction and the pressure. Okay, because of the friction and the pressure. Friction means it's an object that against, means rubbing of one object to another again, okay, on the surface. And pressure means on that they are rubbing, means snows that particles are rubbing on one another, and there get the pressure, and glacier starts moving slowly along the slope, and that time glacier starts moving. Okay, like the river, a glacier too carries out the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. Like river means glacier also carries the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. And because of that some landforms are formed that we learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.